Welcome back, everybody, and thanks for watching my channel for day trading cryptocurrency. Just a reminder, none of these videos should ever be used for financial or trading advice. So again, we've been looking at a couple of these coins that we've put a little bit of money to. You can see the amounts here, and we're hoping to make a little bit of a gain. We made a gain about a week ago with close to 17%, so we're hoping to get something close to that again. With Bitcoin, it's been going up quite a bit if you remember from last time, so we were hoping that would drag up the rest of these coins. So let's go ahead and jump over to Coinbase and take a look and see where we're at. So our overall portfolio, it's at 77, so it doesn't look like things really changed all that much for us. Um, we have the Tezos at 32, which is about where it was at yesterday. Balancer at 25 and Ox at 18. So it doesn't look like these coins have really moved much at all. Things have been pretty stable on those. So let's jump over to our tracker and kind of see where things have gone. So the first one that we have here is the Tezos, which is the XTZ. So let's look at that trend right here. So again, if you remember, there was a pretty big sell-off last week. We kind of missed out on some of that. And it's just been kind of bouncing around that same old level. So not a lot of change, not a lot of movement there. So expecting a little bit more, but Bitcoin did make a pretty decent run again. Let's go ahead and look at that real quick and you can see what I'm talking about. And these are some pretty dramatic gains on Bitcoin. Usually we don't get runs quite that level, and when it does happen, it's pretty significant. So I think most of the attention right now is all on Bitcoin. See, we're above our moving averages all the way across, and our RSIs are, right about 50. So these are getting close to stabilizing off, maybe with Bitcoin, maybe not, but it has made the significant run, so there usually is a lag for the rest of these coins. So we're going to keep watching these. So the Balancer and the ZRX BAL. So if we look at our ZRX, I'm expecting to see something very similar. Again, yeah, so we had a decent spike earlier on, but we're back down to levels that, we kind of got into here. So we haven't had any significant gains yet following with the Bitcoin. And then let's also look at the Balancer, BAL, just down here. And again, kind of the same thing. There were some decent spikes earlier on Bitcoin. There was some excitement there, but I think people are selling off some of these other coins to go into the Bitcoin itself. So like I said, things usually lag Bitcoin by quite a bit. And since there's been so much excitement around Bitcoin itself, I expect a little bit more, um, it to take a little bit more time for these to kind of catch up to Bitcoin where it's at. So it has potential still going up, but it looks like we've kind of slowed down on that energy. So I'm thinking it might take a little bit more. So this time, again, I say we just hold our position, see where we're at, because I don't think we're in a good spot to get into any of the other coins. I mean, some might take off more dramatically than others, but I think we'll stick with what we've got. Hopefully these are decent enough coins. There might be some others that'll be better, probably others that'll be worse as well. But we are looking for that 10% gain. So hopefully we make that this time, and we will check back in again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.